Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you the Adidas Essentials Trefoil Black Joggers. So I've owned the grey version of these pants, which ripped ages ago. So I decided to buy them as well again. And luckily they were in my size, which is a small. The main thing I like about these joggers is they have zippers. That's the one thing I love. That means I can carry shit in my pocket without it falling out. Because my normal joggers that I have, even if I put my phone in there, it slips out when I sit down on my car and stuff like that. So these are must-haves. So there's the grey ones. I love these ones so much I bought them again because my other ones ripped. Then I gave it back after 2 years. No, yeah, around 2 years. Like I said, Adidas customer service is amazing. Like that, random tears everywhere, like through the actual body of the joggers. It didn't make sense. So I showed them it and they said yes, this is a quality issue, blah blah blah. And then they gave me a refund even though I've had the pants for 2 years. So yeah, and then the price of the pants was about 50 quid again, so I didn't bother buying it. And now it's back on sale, so I got these for 20 something pounds each, so that's not bad. So today we're going to be unboxing the black one because I've already done the grey one. If you've not seen that, go check it out. I've done it ages ago. So today we're looking at the black one. Hopefully this has zip pockets as well. I would guess so. Yes. Perfect. Just what I need. I guess. Let's go ahead and open this. I think all joggers should have zip pockets, to be fair. They're just more useful. And look how nice they looks. Look how nice that pocket looks. So nice and clean. Oof. Alright guys. Sorry guys, I got a bit of cold. It's very soft fabric, by the way. That's the one thing I love about these pants. I would try it on for you, but I don't have my tripod, so I can't really try it on and show you what it looks like. But it's basically, if you watch my grey one, it's basically the same but in black. I've got my flash on at the moment, so it's not showing as black as it actually is in real life. Getting a bit more. Let me see if I can block out the flash. Oops, there you go. No, no, that's not working. My fingers are too big. Actually, let me try again. Nope. No, it's not gonna work. Right, so yeah, they're much darker in person, so they look really nice. So you got the Adidas logo there, which pretty much looks like a weed logo. But it's cool. It's cool. I like it. So you got the black and white. You got the white logo. And yeah, there's not much else there. You got cuffed bottoms, so it's nice contour to your legs. Very soft material. This material in the middle changes to like a bit of a breathable mesh type thing. Then you got your zipper pockets. The main thing I love about these pants. That's the one thing I love about these pants. Like my other joggers, I have one side of the zips don't work, and that's the side I usually carry my phones in, so it's a headache for me. So yeah, I'm really happy with these pants. I'm going to be wearing these a lot. Okay, so let's have a look here. Better Cotton Initiative. So I think that's giving fair price and stuff on the cotton and stuff and workers. Okay, so this is the Black Noir Essential Pants, UK small. This one's made in Pakistan. MashaAllah, guys. Alright guys, just this logo there inside. Very nice stitching, very soft inside, as you can tell. I've had the grey ones for a long time, so I can vouch for these and say these are the best joggers you will ever buy. Especially on the sale price. You can't go any better than that. 2 for the price of 1, pretty much. So yeah guys, highly recommend these pants. I'm sorry I can't try them on for you, but yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want me to do more clothes unboxings and stuff, let me know. I'll go out and buy everything I can. Okay guys, goodbye.